Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start with Essentials. Log into Azure Portal and open the Recovery Services vault that holds the VM backup. Once done, locate the backed up VM and pick the exact recovery point timestamp you need. This determines disks and OS state. Make sure you have contributor or backup operator permissions and confirm target resource group and networking availability. Now click Restore VM to launch the Restore wizard so you can choose restore type and target options. Move to the Restore configuration. You now configure Restore details. Choose Create New VM versus Restore Disks Only, Create New VM for quickest backout. Then map target subscription, resource group, VNet, subnet, and NIC. This ensures IP and security group compatibility. Next, set disk types and sizes and enable disk encryption if the original used it. If names collide, rename resources now, otherwise Azure may fail. Review the summary carefully. Once satisfied, start the restore and monitor job progress. You finish by watching the restore job until it completes. Open the vault job details and read any warnings. Once the VM exists, power it on and verify boot, Azure VM agent status, and application integrity. Make necessary NIC or NSG adjustments. If networking changed, reassign public IPs or DNS. If the job fails, check quota limits, disk type incompatibilities, encryption key access, and your role permissions. Resolving those usually fixes most failures. Retry restore after addressing the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.